Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system navigation from gestures to buttons and the other way around. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Updates. Right here we've got the system navigation, so let's tap on it, and here we've got two different options. So if you've got the gestures and you want to set the 3-key navigation, simply tap on this option here. It will be immediately applied. Here you can tap on the settings, and as you can see, we've got the chance to customize the navigation key, so we can reorder back button and the recent, and we can also add this additional button which will hide our panel. So this is the customization, and obviously if you've got the 3-key navigation and you want to set the gestures, simply tap on this first option. You can go through the gesture tutorial. Your device is actually showing you the option, so you can just tap on start. I don't want to do it. I will also explain it to you in a second. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we have actually nothing. Let's go to the settings, and basically, usually we will have this navigation bar, but as you can see, it is hidden. We can hide it just by tapping on the switcher. You can also decide whether you'd like to slide across bottom to switch apps. I'll show you it in the second. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, like here, you can release the finger. Don't wait for too long because you will open this taskbar from the side. So just swipe and release, and we just got back in the same situation from the right side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recent, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, and hold it somewhere here. I mean, hold your finger here, something like that. And here we've got the recent. I also told you that I will show you the swiping gesture to change the apps. So basically, if you are on the app and you have other apps opened in the background, you have to simply swipe at the bottom to change through the apps. As you can see, it's quite easy and really nice. It's a really nice option. It's quick, easy, accessible, and all of other adjectives. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.